Before we begin, you need to go into your bag and grab your alphabet arc mat. You need to get out your letters, and then you are going to need a dry erase marker. Go ahead and pause the video and grab your items. Now that you have your mat, your letters, and your marker, we're going to go ahead and start. Remember that your mat needs to look exactly like mine. On this side of the mat, you need to have your A, M, N, and Z. Then you take your letters and you dump them out in the middle of your mat. Remember, you need to flip them over so that they're on the correct side. Now that it's on the correct side, we need to begin by putting our letters on the arc. Now we are going to start with our initial beginning sound, and that is A. So you are going to look for your A and put it at the beginning. Then you're going to look for your middle sounds. It's M and N. Remember, you use your left hand for the left side of the arc, and then you switch to your right hand after the N on the right side of the arc. Now we need our last final sound of the alphabet, and that is our Z. Now we are going to do the rest of our alphabet, and remember, we need to stay in alphabetical order when we do our letters on our arc. So we're going to take our left hand, and after the A, we need to do the next letter and put that on the arc. And then we can find out what comes after the B. And go ahead and follow along or do this on your own, and then check to see if you did it correct. Now that we have our letters on our arc, we need to do our alphabet sounds. Now you need to follow along with me and repeat it after me. A, apple. B, bear. C, cat. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, gate. H, hat. I, igloo. J, jack-in-the-box. K, kite. L, leaf. M, moon. N, nest. O, octopus. P, pig. Q, queen. R, ring. S, sun. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, vacuum. W, window. X, X-ray. Y, yo-yo. Z, zipper. Now, another word that we are going to make using our sound box is just. Just. What sound do you think starts the word just? What letter would that be? It is J. We are going to put it underneath the first box. And then if you notice, it has the S blend in it, and it is st. At the end of our word is S, st. Now, what vowel do you think goes in the middle? The word is just. Well, that's a U. Now we are going to sound it out and push it up in our box. Sound it out with me. Just. Now go ahead and put the letters back up on the arc. Now the next word we're going to make, I'm going to give you a hint. It has a silent magic E at the end of the word. So go ahead and get your E and put it at the end of your box. It's the silent magic E. And now listen to the word that I'm going to tell you, and then you got to figure out what letters go there. The word is globe. Globe. Go ahead and grab your letters. Globe. Now we know that there is a G sound at the beginning. We have our L, which is our blend. L, blend. O, because the E is making the O have a long O sound, and our last one is B. Now we are going to sound it out and push it up. G-L-O-B, globe. Good job. Now you notice our blend is L. It's the L blend. So go ahead and put your letters back up on the arc. Now we are going to continue with our L blend, but this L blend word has a silent E at the end. So go ahead and put your silent E at the end. There we go. Now the word starts with the sound G, L. What letters is that? Good, that's the G, and remember it's our L blend, so we already know to put our L there. So what do you think it is? Well, the word is glide. So we need our I and our D. We are going to sound it out and push it up. G-L-I-D, glide. Let's try it one more time. Remember, with blends, with our L blend, we can hear the G and the L, and then our magic E, silent E, makes the I have a long I sound. Let's try it again. G-L-I-D, glide. Now go ahead and put the letters back on the arc. Now for our next word, I'm thinking of a word that has a silent E at the end. Go ahead and get your E ready. And this word begins with pull, pull. What letters should go there at the beginning? Pull. Pull. What could that word be? I'll give you another hint. The middle sound here is A. What do you think it is? I'll go ahead and tell you. The word is place. Now let's go ahead and sound it out. P-O-A-C, place. Now if you notice that we have an L here at the beginning, or kind of in the beginning, and that is our L blend. P-L together does pull, and you can hear both the sounds. It is our L blend. Now go ahead and put your letters back on the arc.